Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There'll be showers, with a high of 16 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.